Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Chris. Welcome to the channel. I'm right outside the former Goliath, which is being renamed this year to Chupacabra at Six Flags Fiesta, Texas. Thought I'd go walk around, see what's up. It's too pretty of a day to stay at home, so I'm inviting you. Come along. Hang on. Hang on. I'm inviting you. Come along. Gotta get the fingers in there. Come along.
All those two, please make sure all phones of recording devices are fully put away from me. Once again, two, I guess, out of those two, please make sure all phones of recording devices are fully put away, please. Can I see everybody's hands up on those two, please? Everybody hands up, hands up, hands up. There's two, pull up.
So you heard him. Make sure you have all your recording devices turned off and in your pocket, because we wouldn't want you to lose it in the water. Got a little wet. I was gonna ride Miss Kitty, but we're gonna line. That's not gonna happen. No Looney Tune characters to get my picture taken with today. Huh. S'mores kit still here. $5 for s'mores kit. It's smoking. And the abominable snowman, the friendly abominable snowman. How do you like your s'mores? Do you like your marshmallow slightly toasted, or are you like me? There's gotta be flame involved. Gotta have a fire. That's the best way for a s'more. Let's walk through the DC universe and see how much construction is done. For a construction update through the DC universe. Love this sign. Love this sign. Good golly, it's packed today. The new paint jobs have definitely caused an increase in this area. Sideboard looking pretty good. Looks like they added some theming. Let's give them a peek over the fence. That looks pretty cool. I think that's going to be a fun ride. Hopefully it won't make me sick. Look at this line for Green Lantern. We got some picnic tables over here. It's one of the trains for the monorail. Doesn't it look good? I wonder how they're going to power this. How's this thing going to move? Here's a good look at the monorail station. Looks like it's almost done. Is it going to be open like that? I thought it would be closed in, but it doesn't have to be. Batman's back running. They finished the paint job for it. I kind of like that deeper gold or orange, whatever you want to call it. There's the There's the Shazam Tower. Planet Krypton's got a line. It's might have been the most popular I've ever seen. Poison Ivy's Toxic Spin. Batgirl's Coaster Chase, great sign. Heck of a line. Let's get a better look at the Shazam Tower. It's like, what, 2.5, 3 stories? Drop and spin. I might be able to do that. Penguin's still being worked on. I don't see any of the vehicles either. They must be being redone. Have you seen the new trailer for Superman? Wasn't sure about that. You know, I kind of like Henry Cavill as Superman. He did a pretty good job, but that trailer looks pretty good. I have no idea what the movie's about, but we'll have to wait and see. July, I think, is when the movie comes out. Will you be going? I'll be going. Sign looks pretty good. The water feature down here. Kid Flash Cosmic Coaster still not running. Rumor is that they can't fix it and that they may have to tear it down. I hope not. I enjoyed the roller coaster. I got to ride it, I don't know, maybe 3 or 4 times, both sides. And it was a fun ride. A lot more intense than it looks like, but I enjoyed it. I hope they can fix it and not tear down. At least get the lights back on, because the lights look spectacular right now. But I understand not having the lights on and trying to entice people to come ride it since it's closed. So. But we'll have plenty of rides once DC Universe opens later in 2020 or early in 2025. I'm really hoping that when this opens that they have superheroes in here. I mean, how cool would it be to meet the Flash, the Green Lantern, Superman, and Wonder Woman, the Justice League right through here. It'd be awesome. Let's go back into Fiesta Bay Boardwalk. See how crowded it is. Definitely a busy day here at Fiesta, Texas. Wave Runner has quite a line. Good line for Pirates of the Deep. Ferris wheel's got a pretty decent line too. And it doesn't look like Hurricane Force 5 is running today. Circuit Breaker Grand Prix got a little bit of a line, not too much. Fireball. Has a line.
Fireball.
That might be the longest I've ever seen the Pandemonium line. What if it's going inside where the haunted house is? It may be. That is quite a line for Wonder Woman. Let's watch it drop in. Christmas tree is still up here in Rockville. Even though it's no longer the Christmas season, we'll get the decorations down here soon enough. I think the next event is Mardi Gras, February. I am looking forward to Mardi Gras and the return of the floats. Can't wait to throw beads at people. It's gonna be so much fun. Missed it last year. Tree is still lit up here at Crack Axle. Hopefully you can see that. Some screams coming from Daredevil Dive. I think that's going to do it from Six Flags Fiesta Texas for tonight. Did a nice walker through the park, see what Christmas decorations are still up, and things that are coming to the DC Universe. See how much construction's gone through DC Universe. Looks like it's going to be opening soon. So hopefully, my guess is going to be February, maybe March. But we'll be back to check out the rides and take a ride on the monorail, of course. Other things are coming up on the channel as we approach 2025. We will be having the trackers back in Texas in June. If this is your first time watching, I appreciate you watching the channel. Think about subscribing. Maybe even giving this video a like. I'd appreciate that too. Thanks again for watching. And now for something completely different. Good night from Six Flags. About halfway to my car. Had to stop at the Via bus stop. Oh my gosh. Time to go home and put some ice on the old hip. Probably the knee too. Knee's hurting too. Do you like my shirt? Had this shirt made for me by a friend. I'm not selling them or anything like that, but you know, if you want them, I can reach out to the person who made them for me, and I'm sure she would appreciate the business. So send me a message. You know, either leave a message in the comments, or you can go to Instagram at the Chris Goforth channel, DM me there, or if you have my Facebook, you can also message me there also. And I'll give you the information, and I'm sure she'll be more than happy to make one for you. Price will be determined by the size of the shirt and whether or not she ships it.